So a while back, I made a video about infinite banking, and there's a lot of buzz about infinite banking on the media, but no one's actually getting on the phone and taking a loan out from their policy. I started my policy in 2019, and I have yet to take a loan from my policy. So what I'm gonna do today is get on the phone and request a loan. And let's see how that goes. I'm gonna take out a loan so that I can finish this project. I have the ability to request it through the app, but I want you guys to hear the conversation so that you know it's real.
Good morning, IBC Global. This is Tina speaking.
Good morning. My name is Jovan. How are you doing today?
Doing well, yourself?
I'm doing well. The reason why I'm calling is because I'd like to request a loan from my policy.
Sure, Jovan. And this is Mr. Denal?
Yes.
Okay, and how much would you like?
35,000.
Let me pull up your record. One moment, please. And that is from your Mass Mutual policy.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. And the banking information, if we have it on file or Mass Mutual has on file, use the same banking information?
No, I want it to be sent to a different checking account.
Oh, okay. I'll send you the ACH form, where you can enter in the bank account that you want to use.
Okay.
And it is a personal account in your name, correct?
Well, I'm depositing the funds into a business account because it's going to be a loan through my business. But
Got it.
the company, I am the owner of the company.
If I could put you on hold one moment, I'm not sure. I know Guardian doesn't accept business accounts, but let me just confirm whether Mass Mutual does or doesn't. If I could put you on hold one moment.
All right, take your time.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
They don't either. They don't accept business accounts. It has to be personal account. I'm not quite sure why.
They don't accept business accounts?
No, it has to be personal checking or savings.
Okay. All right.
Checking is honestly the easiest way to fill it in or submit a voided check.
All right. So I don't remember what account you guys have on file. Are you able to tell me what bank it is?
I can find out for you. This is your first loan.
Yeah.
Requesting on your because I'm not seeing like deposits or loans. I'm looking in the documents.
Yeah, I haven't taken out any loans. This is gonna be my first time.
Okay.
All right, so I wasn't able to complete the loan process over the phone because this is my first time taking out a loan and I have to fill out some document. But as you can see, it's a very simple process. She didn't even ask me much questions. She didn't even care to know why I was borrowing the funds. You see, when you put your money in the right place, it'll continue to grow. And when you take some, nobody will need to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill out those documents. And when the funds get deposited in my account, I'll give you guys an update.
One eternity later.
And look at that, they done sent me my money. Right after we got off the phone, that email was right there. So I filled out the paperwork, sent it back to her, and then she sent it back to me because apparently Mass Mutual needs a wet signature. So I had to print the paper, sign the paper, and then send it back to her. And she sent it over to Mass Mutual. I got an email back from Mass Mutual the same day saying that it was getting processed. And it took 5 business days. So I submitted the paperwork on Tuesday and I got the funds on Tuesday of this week. So it was easy peasy, yellow polka dot bikini. Some of you might be wondering, why would I borrow from my life insurance policy? And if you want an in-depth understanding of how infinite banking works, check out my infinite banking video. But to answer the question, when I borrow from the policy, it's a tax-free event. And the cash value of my life insurance policy continues to grow as if I didn't touch it. So I'm borrowing the money and it's continuing to grow. while I deploy the funds elsewhere. and I technically don't have to pay the funds back, because if anything were to happen, then they would just deduct it from the death benefit. But I'm going to pay it back because I'm looking at it as a revolving line of credit. There's still funds in my cash value that I can borrow from. But as I borrow from the policy and pay it back, the funds are readily available for me to borrow again. And over the years, it will continue to grow. And over the years, it will continue to grow. I thought this was a great opportunity to show you guys that you can actually borrow from the cash value of your life insurance policy. So you don't have to wait until you die to benefit from a life insurance policy. You can leverage it while you are alive. And it's about that time. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.